How to price match at Target using the app. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can price match at Target using the app. First things first, ensure that you have the latest version of Target application available and open it up. Then make sure you check your location settings. For consistent online prices, you might need to disable location access in the app settings so it doesn't default to in-store prices. Then use the app's barcode scanner in store. So on the app you'll get barcode scanner, right? What you want to do is you want to use the barcode scanner in order to find the particular item. Here you can see barcode scanner here in the search bar. Open up scanner and scan the barcode of the items in the store, and you'll be able to find the items that are cheaper on target.com than in the physical store. Then you can simply provide that information to the in-store staff and they'll be able to help you get the discount. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe as well.